Hey, good afternoon. This is Mike Biardi, and this is Professionals Close the Market, my road to $1 million with my options trading play account. It's currently 565. It's looks like it's up 27,886 unrealized gain today. No, total unrealized gains 46,599. So 565, that's not bad today. But we're not going to focus on returns in that. In this spreadsheet here, we'll update this spreadsheet and the returns. We got to execute our game plan that we didn't necessarily get to because we made all these trades today. You can see we sold out for profit with Boston Scientific. We sold DVN for a profit. We sold IBIT for a profit. Or actually, we bought the open. I guess that's the closing for a profit, big profit, right? These are big profits. And then I think we have an opening position on RGIT, and we have an open order as well. But we got to close out our game plan. So let's get to the game plan. One of the things is we were assigned KR, which I think we executed. Let's see if that got executed. We doing what happened with KR here? KR. We don't have it. So we got out of it this morning. Look at that, 68 bucks. We got out at 61.14. And I was happy to get out for a slight profit. Could have held out for a little bit more, it looks like. But we're out with a profit, right? And that's, do we have the KR here? There it is this morning. Yeah, early this morning we got out. That was assigned over the weekend. We got out. The other thing, we got this red RCAT. So let's see. We were gonna do RCAT. Did we ever get to doing this trade? Yep, looks like we did. So we were assigned RCAT. Looks like average price of 949, just under 950. So we sold the RCAT June $12 call for 32 cents, and we sold the June $6 put for 8 cents. And it's currently going, it's down 54 cents at 8.95. So this may be a sinking ship here, but this is why we don't hold stocks, and we just this is the only stock, and I guess it's it's psychological failing, about not being able to admit that you had a failed position or didn't was an unprofitable position. But of all the profitable positions last week, this is the only one that got assigned, and we had lots of profitable positions last week and last month. But let's get, so we do have this in place. Let's look at the chart, RCAT. There should be RCAT. Whoa, look at that. That's a whole different kind of volume than FFIE, right? Look at this thing. It's breaking down, still breaking down. I don't know if it's going to get to here 6, but it's going to be a wild ride. I don't think well, this is the position that we have in right now. It is what it is at this point. We'll have to continue to reevaluate that, but we execute our game plan this morning. That was our game plan. So now let's get back to our game plan that we didn't execute. So let's move. What is this? We're going to make this gray and move towards now let's look at, we're going to do a SMCI put spread, right? So let's get it going. SMCI, super microcomputer. And we already have we got a call spread going on, right? And it looks like, let's see what, yeah. So let's bring in a put spread to it. And was that going to be the call? Let's look at SMCI. Yeah, let's do this. Let's sell a $20 put and buy, and let's do that. We don't want to call. We want to put. We want to put. All right. We need 17 or something like that, or 19. Let's work it out. That's not enough of a credit. No credit. $4. Oh, let's go out to July. 29, 26, 28. Let's just do that. What's wrong with this? Because it's not the same. Yeah, that's what's wrong with it. $14, 22. 14 or 22. Let's go with the 22. Well, let's see how tight it is. Let's see if we can get 22. Net credit for 22 cents. Well, these are to open. Net credit 22. View impact. $279. We're gonna chase it. 16 cents. Oh, sounds like we might have got filled. Yes, we did. We'll come back to putting them in the trade log. Let's keep executing our plan here. What did they want a vertical spread on? Did any of these guys have it? Well, doesn't matter. Okay, we got 10 minutes. Let's keep with our trading plan here. You are good to go. Okay, let's go to IREN. Look how we got a lot of things to do here. IREN put spread. And we already have call spread on it. So let's do, and it's for June. Why are we doing this one? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? Well, it came from somewhere. Well, let's do it. Well, let's look at the chart. Oh, yeah. We're going to do a 30, 31, 32, 31. Put spread, sell to open. What can we do here? Here we got nothing there. That's good to me. Gotta go out to June at least. Or 31. Or 31.29. That's nice. Let's do that. Net credit of point. Let's give them what they want. Give them a penny. Exceeds the regulatory requirement. Why? What's wrong with our margin? I don't understand. What's going on with our margin? Oh, so we gotta go backwards. Walk it down. Walk it down a penny. Place. View. Change. 20. Place. View. Change. Come on, pick it up. Come on, you need to pick it up. Or we need to go out some. I'm gonna go down to 15. Fifteen is where I'm gonna stand. When I'm gonna go out to July. Or I'm gonna go down to the next trade. That's what I'm gonna do. Execute. See, execute at 15. All right, let's get on to the next trade. Gray this out. We'll yellow it out. We gotta come back and maybe put some orders in. Okay. What do we gotta do? RTX to close. Let's see how bad that is. See, that's what we needed to do. RTX to close. We got a lot. Which ones are we closing? Which ones are we closing? Hello, which ones are we closing? The July 170 call. We don't even have a July. They mean June? What's going on with RTX? Look at that. It's way up. So why the heck were we closing it? This is June. Let's get out of it. Let's get out of this for a slight profit. We'll keep the puts. Yeah, the puts work. This shit doesn't work. So 9. Wait a minute. I'm running out of time here, Mike. I am running out of time. I've got 2 minutes left. Just gonna get out. It executed. You can hear that it executed. So let's see if we can get another trade in before market close. Make it yellow. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get much done here. Let's close this CTSH. Gotta go to the next trading day. All right, so all these trades that I put together need to go to the next day, and we're gonna call this off for now. You don't need to see me